Hi beauties, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Makeda. I own Makeda K Beauty and I'm here to give you makeup tips, makeup looks, makeup ideas, and all things makeup, all things lashes. So what I did today was a pink and gold type of look. I saw this type of look being done on Instagram and I really wanted to try it. It didn't exactly come out how I wanted it to, but it's a step in the right direction. I just started doing makeup after a very long break from doing my makeup as frequently as I did. I would do it a couple times and I wasn't really on my game too much, but now I'm coming back onto it and I'm learning new things. I took a lot of stuff that I learned off of a lot of things that I watched. I'm just back and I'm better than ever. This look is something that I'm very proud of. This is one of my looks that I've done recently that I actually really like. I've done a couple. I posted one and none of them I truly liked. I tried some new things like under my eyes. That's definitely new. Just a couple new things that I wanted to try, that I wanted to see how they came out on me, and I'm starting to like them. I'm starting to become a different makeup artist and trying to catch up with the trends and all of that. But thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the makeup look, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so let's get straight into the video. I'm using this Pixi H2O like jelly moisturizer. I decided to try a hack that I saw on TikTok and Instagram where you moisturize your face first, then use powder, then set it, then primed, and then use your foundation. So I'm doing that. This is like me putting the moisturizer onto my face lightly and gently, and then I put setting powder on. When I watched the video, she literally says don't add a lot of setting powder, but as you can see, I did the complete opposite of that. It's probably because I have really oily skin, but it worked out anyways. I just really got to blending in, and it started to look a little bit better. Like this, see, way better than before, way better. And as the last step, I'm going to be setting it with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And now we're going to be moving on to the eye makeup. I will be posting a eyebrow tutorial, so look out for that on my channel very, very soon. Now let's get into concealing the lids. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Tan to conceal my lids. I apply them straight from the product because this is my personal one. I do have a different one for my clients, but I use this one to apply straight on my lid. Then I'm going to be blending in with a small like concealer brush kind of thing. It's not really exactly a concealer brush, but it's nice. It's one of those double-sided brushes like the ones from It Cosmetics. And I'm going to be just blending it out very nicely, making sure that product gets everywhere and I get the most use out of my product. Now I'm going to be using a beauty blender just to blend in my makeup, making sure that I'm patting, I'm not rubbing, so I get the most out of the product and it looks very nice, blended, and natural. Now I'm going to be using the Kat Von D setting powder. This is a translucent powder. I'm using this for my lids just to set them. And I'm being very careful this time. I don't know if you guys saw in my last my last YouTube video. I did a lot of things. I felt like I did it rushed. Oh my god, I can't speak. I feel like I did a lot of stuff rushed, and this time I really took my time on my eye makeup. I fixed the problems that I did from last time, and I just was really taking my time. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. Look at this palette, it's so gorgeous. I'm going to be using this rosy shade right here. It really looks like nothing when I first apply it, but it gets more pigmented with each application. But it really doesn't matter because this is a transition shade and we don't need like a whole bunch of pigment with this transition shade, at least not for this look. Now I'm going to be using this pink shade from NYX, the Obsession palettes. I think it's the Ultimate Obsession palette. I can't remember. Oh wait, no, it's not even Obsessions. That's Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh, my head. I'm using it's from the NYX Ultimate palette. I'm using the pink shade from the NYX Ultimate palette. And then I'm going to be going back to the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette and getting this really deep red color. And I'm going to start patting it on at first, and then I'm going to start blending it into my crease and below, bringing that color down within each eyeshadow color, you know, just pulling it down and pulling it down. But gently, of course. Gently, of course. Now, I'm pretty sure I used a darker shade, but I can't find the footage of which shade that was. It was the darker shade from the Ruby Obsessions palette, and I'm just using that. I tried out this hack with the powder. It did not work, so I just decided to use a makeup wipe instead to kind of make it more precise under it and clean up all the fallout. Now from the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, I'm going to be using this really dark burgundy, patting it into my outer corner to create definition, as well as give my eye like that really like deep color. I really like it. Now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, I'm going to start to cut my crease. Now you guys, please bear with me. I literally kept putting my head down and coming out of frame, so it was really hard to get full footage of me cutting my crease. So just bear with me and try to, like, I don't know, like I feel like I wish I could just pull my camera up. I'm using a very precise brush here to do my concealer. I take the key to concealing or cutting. I said concealing. I meant to say cutting, you guys. The key to cutting your crease is really to be patient and to focus. Have a steady hand, be patient and focus, and that's pretty much it. And like a lot of practice. But some people get on their first try. So I would just say really have a steady hand, focus, and be very patient, and just take it really slow. Make sure to pat the product, not drag it out or rub it in. You want this concealer to really be able to grab all the shimmer or glitter you want to apply on it. Like the one that I'm using from the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I use both glitters on this cut crease as well as the Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. The highlighter, I use that. If you guys want to know what I think, you guys, I just told you guys, so yeah. I was gonna say, well, you know what, never mind, I already said it. So if you guys have any questions about any of the products though, definitely put them in the comments down below and I'll be able to give specifics on them. I think I named every product that I use, but if I missed anything, please let me know. So sadly, I didn't get adequate footage of myself doing the liner part of this look. All of the footage, I was out of the frame, so I decided just to trash it because all you guys was looking at were my eyebrows. So this is what I got. You're going to do the same thing you were concealing, except for instead of shimmer, you're going to use shadow. I use the Morphe 3503 palette shadow that I showed you before. Now using the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, I'm just going to be putting one coat on my lashes. I don't want to use a whole bunch because I am putting on eyelashes, and with the lashes I'm using, you don't need a lot, which is the Makeda K Beauty lashes in the style Queens. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and now I'm going to hand it back to Makeda. Bye! Okay, you guys, so that was the final look of the makeup. I added the bottom part under here just because I felt like I needed a little bit of definition under my eye, and I am so happy that I did do this. I am so happy with everything. I decided to do a light gloss because I wanted it to be really like light and shiny and stuff. So you can see like my highlight. I did highlight under the brow bone. Definitely one of my favorite looks. I'm way happier with how this came out than I was with how the green one came out. Honestly, I don't even know how I got the courage to post that. It was just really unclean, and I'm not exactly happy with how it came out, but I wanted to post it just to let other people know that, you know, all your makeup looks aren't going to be perfect. All of them aren't going to be great. To also say that I'm still learning myself, so nobody is perfect. Like, I'm absolutely not perfect at all, but you know, we're all learning together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment any questions that you have for me. Please comment if you guys want me to do any specific looks, if you guys want me to do any specific tips, tricks, if you guys like how I do something, you guys want me to do another video on it, definitely comment that down below. And thank you guys so much for supporting my YouTube channel and supporting me. I have all of my links, all of my personal info, and my social media is down in the description below, so go get that a check out. Also, I recently restocked on my Makeda K Beauty lashes. These are very popular lashes. I'm wearing the most popular style, Queens, and then I have like a whole bunch of other styles that I know you guys are gonna love. So just click the link in the description to go shop Makeda K Beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and like I said before, comment. Bye, my beauties.
Kinky.